Dear students, today we will discuss the life cycle of a green alga, Chara. Chara is a freshwater alga. It grows submerged in shallow water, ponds, tanks or lakes. Chara baltica occurs in alkaline water, while Chara fragilis occurs in hot spring water. It is also called stone world due to deposition of calcium and magnesium carbonate on it. Chara is multicellular, which has rhizoids and main axis. Rhizoids are thread-like, white, multicellular, uniseriate and branched with oblique septa. Tuft of rhizoids originate from rhizoidal plate. It helps in attachment and absorption of minerals. Main axis is long branched structure with nodes and internodes. Internode is made up of central cell and 5 to 6 cortical cells. The nodes of main axis has 3 types of branches. As we see, in the diagram, the shoots of unlimited growth, the shoots of limited growth, and also the stiploids. The main axis at the nodes form branches of limited growth and branches of unlimited growth. The sex organs are present on branches of limited growth. The nodal cells are uninucleate and with dense cytoplasm and small ellipsoidal chloroplast. This is structure. The internodal cells are much elongated with large central vacuole, this one, many nuclei and discoid chloroplast. In Chara, growth of the main axis and branches takes place by a dome-shaped apical cell. In Chara, only vegetative and sexual reproduction is present. There is no evidence of asexual reproductive bodies. They form bulbils, root bulbils, this like amorphous bulbils, secondary protonema, and the most important structure in their vegetative propagation is amylum starch, which store the amylum starch. So the structure is called amylum star because it looks like a star. After separation from the parent plant, they form new thallus. Sexual reproduction in Chara is highly advanced and oogamous type. Sex organs have very complex structure. They are globule and nucleule. Male sex organ is antheridium or globule, while female sex organ, which is situated above the globule, is nucleule or oogonium. Most of the species are monoecious or homothallic, means both globule and nucleule are present on same thalli. This is the structure of globule. It is macroscopic, spherical red or yellow structure. Like the surface of football, it has 8 shield cells which give them spherical shape. From each shield cell, a large cylindrical manubrium originate, from which 2 or 4 primary capitulum cells are originate, and from them 6 secondary capitulum cells originate, and from them 2 to 4 long unbranched antheridial filament originate. Each antheridial filament has 25 to 250 antheridial chambers in which motile antherozoids are formed. So we can see that each antheridium or globule forms 20,000 to 50,000 antherozoids. If we see the development of globule, they develop at node of branches of limited growth. Peripheral adaxial cells of the node functions as antheridial initial. This one. After transverse division, it forms lower pedicel cell and above antheridial mother cell. Antheridial mother cell after two vertical division form quadrate stage, and this quadrate stage after transvolve formation form 8-celled octant stage. In this octant stage, the periclinal division, 2 layers of 8 cells and finally 3 layers are formed. The outer layer, the middle layer and the inner layer, each of them has 8 cells. The outer layer form the shield cells, this one. Middle layer form the manubrial cells, manubrium, and inner layer forms the primary capitulum cells. From primary capitulum cells, 6 secondary capitulum cells originate after division. Each capitulum cell at terminus form 2 to 4 multicellular thread-like filament called antheridial filament with 250 uninucleate cells. The nuclei of antheridial chamber with protoplast metamorphosis into spirally coiled motile antherozoid, and at maturity shield cells separate exposing antheridial filaments. Filament wall dissolves and antherozoids are liberated. This is structure of antherozoid of Cara. Now we see the structure of female reproductive structure, the oogonium or nucleus. It is also a macroscopic oval and stacked structure above the globule. 5 tube cells which spirally, just like this. Tube cells cover the nucleus. In the center it has the egg and food reserve in the form of oil and different carbohydrates, and at the top 5 cells are called corona cells. The egg has the receptive spot for attachment of male gamete. When we see the development, the oogonial initial cell after 2 successive transverse division form 3 types of cells. The number 1 is, and the upper one is the oogonial mother cell. Below it the nodal cell or sheath initial, and the basal part is the pedicel cell. Oogonial mother cell divides by transverse division after elongation to form basal stalk cell and distal oogonial cell. The sheath initial divides vertically to form sheath cells. They after transverse division form 2 tiers of 5 cells. They are 2 tier, totally of 10 cells, 5 in above tier, 5 in the lower tier. The cells of the upper tier form the 5 corona cells at the top of the oogonium, and the lower tier 5 cells form tube cells which cover the oogonium. This was the structure of the sex organs of Cara. Now we see the fertilization and development. At maturity, the tube cells separate from each other and form slits. Antherozoids enter through these slits and reaches the wall of oogonium. Only one antherozoid fuses with egg to form diploid oospore. Oospores secrete a thick wall and germinate after resting period. This one is the diploid nuclei of oospore. In presence of light, a transverse wall is formed at the anterior end, and at the same time meiosis takes place in the diploid nucleus. One nucleus remains in the lenticular above cell, and the lower cell have 3 nuclei which is large in shape. The upper cell nuclei remains active while the 3 nuclei of the lower large cell disintegrate. The upper cell divide by vertical wall and form protonemal initial and rhizoidal initial. Rhizoidal initial show positive geotropism and form primary rhizoid. this one. While protonemal initial form primary protonema, which form nodes and internodes and show negative geotropism, the primary protonema shows further division and branching and for new plant like this one. This was the life cycle of green alga, stonebird or Chara. You can see that whole life cycle both